Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel with complete settings step by step. But before we begin, I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started! Open the YouTube app or website. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. You'll see your name, like Alamgir, and an option saying Create Channel. Tap on that. Set your profile picture and enter your channel name. Below that, write your channel handle, e.g. Alamgir Tech. Tap Create Channel. Your channel will now be created. Now let's move on to the complete channel settings. Open Chrome or any browser and go to youtube.com. Tap the three dots on top and enable Desktop Site. Now go to your profile icon again and tap Your Channel. Click on Customize Channel. This will open YouTube Studio. Here, you can set your channel banner, profile photo, and other branding details. We'll cover this part in the next video. On the left side menu, go to Settings. In general, there's nothing much. Move to the next tab. Under Channel. Select your country. In the Keywords section, add relevant search terms like how to create a Gmail account, tech tutorials, YouTube automation, etc. Next, go to Advanced Settings. Select No, this channel is not made for kids. Then go to Feature Eligibility. Standard features are already enabled. For the other two options, you need to verify your phone number. Select your country, enter your phone number, and submit the 6-digit verification code. Once verified, your channel will unlock more features. In the Upload Defaults section, set visibility to unlisted. You can also set default titles, descriptions, and tags if you want your uploads to be pre-filled. Under Advanced Settings, select your category and video language, such as Category, Education, How-To, Technology, etc. In the Permissions section, no need to make any changes for now. Finally, click on Save to apply all your settings. So friends, this was a complete guide on how to create and set up a YouTube channel from scratch. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a channel banner, profile photo, and how to adjust branding settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And if you want to watch more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care and remember me in your prayers. Bye-bye.